Hi everyone, I'm stephstorm. In this video, I'll show you a DIY IKEA shoe cabinet makeover for under $10. You've got to see this. At my house, as soon as you walk in the front door, you're in the living room, so I don't have much of an entryway. Currently, I'm using these cubes and open shoe shelves, and it's been great for a couple of years, but now I'm ready for a bit of an upgrade. I'll be moving the open shoe shelves to another closet in the house, but in my living room, I just don't want to see all those shoes anymore. So I picked up the Hemnes shoe cabinet from IKEA because it offers a closed-in, more stylish solution. And guys, I don't know what it is, but I have this thing about cardboard. I always feel like I need to make something with it. The Hemnes cabinet is a nice quality piece for the price. Assembly was fairly easy, and it took me about an hour to put it together by myself. I like that it only comes with one set of block feet for the front of the cabinet because the back of the cabinet is notched out to fit around the baseboard. This makes a snug fit against the wall. IKEA furniture is great for small spaces. This is how the completed cabinet looks straight from IKEA. I like it just the way it is, and it fits perfectly between the door and the window. The doors tilt open with little stoppers to keep the shoes from falling out, and each compartment can fit a double row of shoes if you use the adjustable inserts that come with the cabinet. Like I said, I like it just the way it is, but I want it to fit my style a little bit more, so I'm going to give it a glam makeover for under $10. This glossy, marble look peel and stick wallpaper is from Amazon for about $8 a roll. And I already had these crystal pools left over from another project, but you can pick these up for just a couple of bucks from Amazon or Hobby Lobby. I cut the paper slightly larger than the insert on the cabinet door, and then I used a plastic card from my wallet to smooth out all the air bubbles. Using my X-Acto knife, I trimmed off the excess paper for a nice straight line. And here it is. Look how pretty it turned out. I love it. And it was so easy to upgrade. Now it doesn't look like the IKEA showroom, but more like a custom piece that was made just for me. Press the thumbs up if you like this video. And make sure you press the subscribe button. So once again, here's the before and the after. See how two simple changes can make such a big difference. This project was easy on the budget and rental friendly too. Come back and see me next week for another entryway project as I rearrange and upgrade. One thing leads to another. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm stephstorm, and you'll see me next time.